in the digital medium, okay, digital agency, I'm telling you. So understand the difference between, digital marketing job for any organization like B2C or B2B organization and digital marketing job in a digital agency. So there is a difference. Okay. So you have to understand. So let's say, for example, you are going to, let's say, any FMCG company, okay, or you are going to any B2B company, okay. So everybody requires a website, okay, to inform people about their products, services, career, investors, marketing. All information is available on website. So the first technical operational role which is available is web design. Okay. So if you are interested in designing, Photoshop designing, Collaterals designing, etc., etc., so then the web designing is one of the important career options can be chosen. The technical part aspect is on the same line is the web developer. So there is a difference between the web designer and the web developer. Designer mainly works on Photoshop, CorelDRAW and designing tools, whereas a web developer works on the HTML development, CSS development. So it is more a technical aspect of it. So web designing and web development. Web development also covers the programming aspects of the technical development. Her job is a social media executive, okay, or the social media manager, which is the senior post. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you are working on Facebook. Everybody has a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat accounts. So the companies, organizations do their promotional engagement, advertising, marketing activities on these social media channels also, correct? So these kind of activities can be done through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, blogging activities. So you can join a company to do the social media marketing activity for that particular company. Okay. But don't consider it is as easy as your own social media posts that you are doing. It is more formal, and there is a strategy, there is a brand communication, there is a brand design. There are many things you have to keep in your mind before doing the marketing, promotional engagement activity on the social media. So this is the third type of job I have told you. Fourth type of job is search engine optimization experts or executives. Okay, search engine optimization is again a technical job, operational job, whereas you have to develop keywords and you have to develop website and optimize websites so that it is a search engine friendly, and when people search for your products and services, your website should be visible. So that is a search engine optimization. It is a repetitive activity, optimization activity, which you have to take care on a regular basis. Next job opportunity is in e-commerce or a big commerce marketing. You are not aware of this. A lot of people are not mentioning about this particular job opportunity, but it is Amazon, Flipkart, Grofers, there Myntra. There are so many big e-commerce players available in the market. Okay. Now, if any product company wants to sell their products on the e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart, it is not straightforward work. A lot of effort goes into Amazon and Flipkart advertising and marketing and optimization. So there are experts required into Amazon, Flipkart advertising and marketing. So this is another job opportunity. Besides that, these are jobs available for operations. People who wants to get into operational role of a particular organization's marketing activity. Okay, digital marketing activity. Other roles are analytics manager, CRM manager, or email marketing manager. Email marketing is extremely big, so companies have database of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh users, and continuous email messaging and EDM, it is called electronic data mailer or newsletter marketing is carried out. Okay, so this is called the email marketing managers also. So there are many platforms. So each platform that you use, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Blogger, any platform, Instagram, each platform gives analysis of how much of money you have spent, how many viewers you have targeted, who has seen your ad or information, how much engagement, how many likes, how many click-through rates, etc. So these analytics and this data is shown through the analysis dashboard, and this analytics manager have to decode all this data analysis and find out the relevant information, what is relevant for the consumer, and focus on those consumers and increase the sales. Okay, so this is those who are good in numbers, who should thought about analytics job opportunity. Now this is one type of job. Okay, now I'm going to tell you another type of job. Okay, so content developers, huge opportunity. There is a extremely big opportunity for content developers. Okay, so what is content developer? So blogger. So if you have any expertise, like say, if you are a good cook, you start your own channel and start doing, cookery show. Okay, cooking show, for example. Then you can, if you are electronics experts, start blogging about, electronics, how to purchase a particular phone, reviews, etc. If you're a travel blogger, talk about travel, you go to different places and you are following such bloggers, you are seeing a lot of information. So there is a blogger and there is a vlogger. Vlogger is a video blogger, and many of the students who are already watching, very famous bloggers and vloggers, they are also called the influencer marketers, because they have Ashish Chachlani, you must be knowing. Who is very famous among youngsters. So he is an influencer marketer. So he is a vlogger also. Or he calls himself a YouTuber. Okay. He is earning into crores. Lots of big stars and big Bollywood celebrities have also featured with him on his channel. So influencer marketing from the point of view of, you can create your own channel and do the video marketing. So video marketing, as I told you in my trends, that, it's a extremely big thing that you have to look for. Another big opportunity is, PR activity. Okay, so PR itself is a extremely big, field altogether, but digital PR also is becoming extremely big. So online, generally, there used to be a lot of events, and the PR activity is being carried out around events or press releases, etc. So now it is converted into webinars. Articles are published onto online magazines, publications, press releases are also published online. Profile stories are created, portfolios are created online, and it is promoted online. Okay, so this is a PR activity. So digital PR itself also has become extremely important and extremely big. So as a career opportunity, you have to think about digital PR as one particular aspect. Now I have told you about the operational activity. I have told you about the, if you want to do the, content generation on your own, start your own business, because the next generation, which you guys are, remember these words of mine, we are moving towards a gig economy. Gig economy is, a lot of people will be working as a freelancers. Okay, so there won't be, jobs, you will work in your free time, and you will work from home most of the time. So whatever your expertise you have, you can work with those expertise from home and not work with one company, but you can work with multiple companies at the same time, okay, as a freelancers, which is called the gig economy. And we are moving extremely fast towards it, and the COVID situation has shown that this is very much possible, and already companies have fired their many employees. A lot of job losses has happened during this time, but these companies are taking the freelancers and getting their work completed. So this is another very important aspect of from the career opportunity point of view. Next department is marketing department. So if you want to work purely as a marketing executive or a sales executive, so again opportunities are endless. So you can work as a client servicing, you can work as a digital agency account director, you can work as a e-commerce sales executive for any organization. So many organizations have their e-commerce sales happening on Amazon. So you can be sales executive for e-commerce. Every company has a digital SME sector or above that. Okay, so 50 crores above companies have nowadays a digital marketing expert who works with the digital marketing agencies. So you can decide to work with the organization as a digital marketing expert, or you can think of working in the digital marketing company. So there are both options available.